Breakfast, a moment to pause, reflect, and fuel up for the day. First things first. All right, we're gonna start with the potato skins. I'm using one large russet potato that I washed and scrubbed, and now I'm going to peel the skin. And I'm left with the skins, which we are using, and a peeled potato, which we aren't. But I'm sure you can find many ways to use that peeled potato. Next, I'm rinsing the skins in cold water just to remove excess starch so that they get nice and crispy. And then we're gonna dry them up and place in a sheet pan and add a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and some smoked paprika. Give everything a mix and place in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until crispy, tossing about halfway through cooking. Next is the cheese sauce. 2 ingredients, add about half a cup of heavy cream, and I'm making about 2 sandwiches, and even though there's never enough cheese, this is a decent amount for 2 sandwiches. Now, as the cream starts to heat up on low to medium heat, we will add in 3 slices of American cheese. Say what you want about American cheese, but I feel that it does have its place in the cheese world. And I'm gonna add the slices in one at a time and whisk until fully melted, and then you can season with salt, freshly cracked pepper, and even more smoked paprika if you like. And then you're left with a silky smooth cheese sauce, and the sodium citrate that's in American cheese will help emulsify and stabilize this sauce. Then give a taste and adjust any seasonings. Up next is spicy soppressata. Now, you don't have to go spicy, but if you need a good kick in the ass in the morning to start your day, go for the spicy. And in a dry frying pan on medium heat, add the slices of the soppressata and lightly fry, flipping occasionally. And we aren't going for crispy here, just a nice light fry. And then we're gonna remove and set aside. Any leftover fat from the soppressata you can use to toast the buns in. I'm using brioche buns, and if you want to indulge even more, you can butter up the bread as well. Now in that same pan, you can fry up your egg with some butter, season with salt and freshly cracked pepper, and you can cook your eggs however you like. But I want a runny yolk, so I'm going sunny side up. And adding a splash of water and then covering the pan with the lid will help set those whites around the yolk. And then let's build our sandwich. Layer on some of the fried soppressata on the bottom half bun, then add your fried egg, add the crispy potato skins, drizzle as much cheese sauce as you want, and bring it to the table. Now that's a spicy kick to start your day. Whew. You don't have to go with the spicy soppressata. You can get like a mild, totally fine. Nice fried egg with the runny yolk, the crispy potato skins, and of course the cheese sauce on a nice brioche bun. Oh, this is so good. Can't just eat one, I'm gonna eat the other one. Hope you give this one a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the link in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, ciao.